Bayang magiliw, perlas na silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib ko'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, luyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit. From the red corner, by the Pada Santa Ignacio Tarlac, Ian Catalan. By the blue corner, by the Pada Santa Ignacio Tarlac, Aaron Catalan. This is the match of the Catalan. Round 1. Fight!
Referee ba yung kilala? Sabi siya.
Hey, yeah. Yan na. Oh. Catalan is a very simple match. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ano lang?
Extra and up. Catalan is very simple match and he is a very good man. Yeah.
Balong, buksan.
Extra naman. Catalan is a good match. And before of the match, she is yeah. Pacquiao is okay.
Kami ang alyo mo rin. Asko! Ako may ang alyo.
Hoy! Fight! That's the match of the brother. Catalan brother. Yeah. Suguran. Oh, papakyaw kayo ba? Hatton versus Pacquiao. Nakaluto na ipalpal.
Ano, may pagdang yan.
The dream match. Hoy!
So?
Mutatalok yan ng pipoy, oh. O, nihatan, may round 2 yun.